AI is everywhere. Make money with it. AI is a game changer. It's like having a superpower. You see it in self-driving cars, smart assistants, and even in your Netflix recommendations. But here's the kicker. AI can also make you serious cash. This isn't some futuristic fantasy. People are already using AI to boost their income every single day. The best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to get started. Whether you're a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or just looking for a side hustle, AI has something for you. This guide will break it all down in simple terms, giving you actionable steps to leverage AI for profit. Get ready to level up your income game with the power of AI. Freelancing is all about selling your skills, right? It's about showcasing what you can do and finding clients who need your expertise. But what if I told you that AI can make those skills even more valuable? Imagine having a tool that can boost your productivity and creativity. Think of it as your secret weapon in the freelance world, a way to stand out from the competition and deliver even better results. Let's say you're a writer. You spend hours brainstorming, drafting, and editing. AI tools like Jasper or Copy.ai can help you generate content ideas, write faster, and even suggest improvements to your writing style. They can analyze your text for tone, grammar, and readability, making your work shine. This means more clients, more projects, and ultimately more money in your pocket. Your efficiency translates to higher earnings. But it's not just for writers. AI has something to offer for every freelancer out there. Graphic designers can use AI to create stunning visuals in minutes, saving time and sparking creativity. Marketers can automate their social media campaigns, schedule posts, and analyze engagement with ease. The possibilities are endless. The key is to embrace these tools and integrate them into your workflow seamlessly. They can help you stay organized and efficient. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Each tool has its unique strengths. Remember, AI is there to enhance your skills, not replace them. It's about working smarter, not harder, and taking your freelance career to the next level. Dreaming of starting your own online business? You're not alone. Many people are looking to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and create something of their own. AI can be your secret weapon. It's not just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that can transform your business. From e-commerce to online courses, AI can automate tasks, analyze data, and personalize the customer experience. Imagine having a virtual assistant that never sleeps. Imagine running an online store without lifting a finger. AI can handle the mundane tasks so you can focus on what truly matters. AI-powered tools can handle inventory management, customer service, and even marketing. These tools are designed to make your life easier and your business more efficient. This frees up your time to focus on growing your business. You can spend more time on strategy and less on day-to-day operations. But it's not just about automation. AI offers insights that can drive your business forward. AI can help you understand your customers better than ever before. By analyzing their behavior and preferences, you gain valuable insights. By analyzing data on their behavior and preferences, you can tailor your products and marketing to their exact needs. This level of personalization can set you apart from the competition. The result? Higher conversion rates, increased customer loyalty, and ultimately more revenue for your business. It's a win-win situation. With AI by your side, building a thriving online empire is within reach. The future of business is here, and it's powered by AI. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale. Sounds simple, right? It is, especially with AI by your side. AI tools can analyze massive amounts of data to identify the most profitable affiliate products for your niche. They can even help you optimize your marketing campaigns for maximum impact. Imagine knowing exactly which products your audience is most likely to buy, even before they do. That's the power of AI in affiliate marketing. No more guessing games or wasting time on products that don't convert. AI takes the guesswork out of affiliate marketing, allowing you to focus on what you do best: promoting and earning. Section 5. Content creation. Let AI write your success story. Content is king, they say. It's the backbone of any successful digital strategy. But creating high-quality content takes time and effort. Many content creators find themselves burning the midnight oil, struggling to meet deadlines. What if I told you that AI can help you create engaging content in a fraction of the time? Imagine having a tool that understands your needs and delivers exactly what you want. From blog posts to social media captions, AI can handle it all. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. AI writing tools can generate high-quality content on any topic you can imagine. Whether it's a niche subject or a trending topic, AI has got you covered. You can even use AI to create scripts for videos or podcasts. This means more time for you to focus on the creative aspects of your work. But AI isn't just about churning out content. It's about enhancing the quality and relevance of what you produce. It can also help you optimize your content for search engines, making sure your hard work doesn't go unnoticed, ensuring that your target audience actually finds it. This means more visibility and higher engagement rates. With AI as your content creation partner, you can brainstorm ideas, draft outlines, and even get feedback on your work. You can scale your content marketing efforts, reach a wider audience, and track your success with detailed analytics. And ultimately, monetize your content like never before. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Section 6. AI investing. Own the future today. Investing in AI might sound intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. You don't need to be a Wall Street guru to get in on the action. One option is to invest in AI-powered ETFs or exchange-traded funds. These funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a basket of AI-related companies. Another option is to explore crowdfunding platforms that specialize in AI startups. This allows you to invest directly in companies that are developing cutting-edge AI technologies. Remember, investing always involves risk. But by diversifying your portfolio and doing your research, you can potentially reap the rewards of investing in the future of technology. Section 7. Education and upskilling. Become the AI expert. The demand for AI skills is skyrocketing. By learning about AI and developing in-demand skills, you can position yourself for lucrative career opportunities. There are countless online courses and resources available, many of them free, that can teach you the basics of AI, machine learning, and data science. You can also join online communities and forums to connect with other AI enthusiasts and learn from their experiences. The key is to never stop learning. The field of AI is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. Section 8. Ethical considerations. AI for good. As with any powerful technology, it's important to use AI responsibly and ethically. We need to be mindful of the potential impact of AI on society and ensure that it's used for good. For example, we need to be aware of the potential for AI bias and work to mitigate it. We also need to ensure that AI is used in a way that respects privacy and security. By promoting ethical AI development and usage, we can create a future where AI benefits everyone. Section 9. The future is AI. Embrace the revolution. AI is not just a passing trend, it's a transformative technology that's here to stay. By embracing AI and learning how to leverage its power, we can unlock incredible opportunities for ourselves and the world around us. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI, explore the tools and resources available, and start creating your own AI-powered success story. Remember, the future belongs to those who are willing to adapt, innovate, and embrace the power of technology.